topic for bank statement and Excel to enter a feature. So these are the best features for your accounting systems, because bank statements are very long process to do manual entries in Entera, or like I mean in your Tele, Zoho, whatever kind of account system you're using, right? So it takes couple of hours to fill out all the bank statements, like transitions and all the settlements. You have to make sure like you're doing very correctly, there is no error, or everything is correct, right? So for this purpose only, so I will show you how bank statement and Excel to enter a feature can revolutionize your working. Okay, so let's start the webinar. Okay, Mohit will discuss this question in the end of our Q&A session. Okay, so if in case you still facing some kind of error or some issues, you can write us to our support team as well. We are always here to help you out, so don't worry about it. And for your question, I will show you demonstrate this thing as well. So anyway, let's start this webinar, everyone. So first of all, I will explain you about Entera Global. What is Entera Global, how it works. So I will take you to the website of Entera Global. Okay, let's go to the Entera Global website. It's enteraglobal.in. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Please type yes so that it will be clear that yes, I'm going correctly. Yes, great, great. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So let's take. I'm taking you the Entera website. It's simply a Entera website. You can go and type enteraglobal.in. Let me show you once again. You can simply type Entera Global as well in the Google Global and .in. So you will be directed to the our main page of Entera Global. Okay. So let me tell you how what like Entera offers you. Okay, so Entera Global offers software for automate data entry into accounting system like Tally, Zoho Book, QuickBooks, 1C, etc. Okay, so we utilize AI, machine learning, robotic processing at automation, optical recognition, and cloud technologies as well. Okay, with the integration of AI, Entera automates the data. Entire accounting data entry process from data like document collection to data recognition, item matching from to publishing in accounting system and digital storage as well. Okay, so this how Entera basically provides you data automation for your accounting system so that you can ease your work. So there would be no manual entry for more. There will be no human errors. So it would be easy and fast. Okay, so this is the Entera web application. Sorry, the web page. You can see the website. So to log into Entera, you need to first create your account, right? So first I would go to login. Here you can see I have already created my account, so already my credentials are there, right? But as you are the new user, so you will be need to sign up your account. So you need to click on sign up, and with simple your email and phone number, you can sign up into Entera. Okay, so I already have the credentials there. I have already have created my account, so I need to simply click on sign in, and I will be sign in. Okay, so here is the dashboard of Entera Global. So you must be wondering, like, you have so many documents, you have too many data over here. So see, as a first user, when you log into Entera Global, you won't have much information. You only have two options, like create new folder, and one folder name is my documents. I have created these names, so I will tell you how you can do it. So simply, just like in Tele, you have multiple companies, multiple firms you working with, right? So you have to create a folder by the same name of your company you're working with. So the reason behind is that so that you can segregate your data, your documents, different company wise. Okay. So let's say I can show you my tally. So in my tally, I have the company name Indian Tele 3 Company, right? So I'm working with my accounting software is Tally as of now. So if some people are using Zoho, some people are QuickBooks, it can be possible. But as of now, we have bank statement and Excel feature in Tally. So you can see I have a name of Indian Tele 3 Company. So I've already created a folder for Indian 3 Tele Company. Okay. So let me show you how you can create your own folder. Let's say I will click on create new folder, and you can type the name. Let's say you have a name of your company. It's like you're working with uh, A, B, Z, some kind of company. So you can write this name and you can click on confirm. So this folder will create it and you will be directed to the folder itself. Okay. See, so this folder has been created. So now I'm not going to work with this folder because I have already my company name is Indian Tele 3 Company. So I will go back to that folder and work with this. So I will go back to this folder I've already created. So when I click on that folder, you will be directed to that folder. From inside the folder, this is the dashboard of the folder. Okay. Uh, am I visible, guys? If I'm going very fast, please do write me so that I can keep up my pace with you. Okay. Okay, so here you can see we have a folder name. So right now we need to upload bank statements, right? First, before going to the uploading the bank statement or Excel file, I will show you, you need to integrate this folder to your Tally. So when you upload this folder, doesn't mean that you can transfer the document to Tally, right? We need some kind of a connector, some kind of a connection between the Tally and Entera server so that you can transfer the documents, right? So for that, uh, guys, you need an application. We have an application called Entera Teleconnector. So when you enroll with our subscription and you register our platform, you will be contacted by our support team. Like me, my colleagues will contact you, and we will give you a demonstration and implementation meeting where we will provide you the application and we will install it to your PC so that you can and we will give you the proper connection thing, like we can integrate this software with your Tally so that it will work easily for you. It's very easy basically. So for that, I have already installed the software. So I will just simply open that application. It's Entera Tele Connector. Yeah, it's open. See, so I have already opened my Tally and I have already opened a company which I'm going to work with. Right? You might be have multiple companies. So let's say you're working with one company, you open the one company, I mean that company, and when you install the application, so initially when you install the application, this page will open. Okay. So for that, you need to log in with the same credential you have logged in on the website of Entera. Okay. So I will log in. Same with the login ID, I've logged in. So now this application is showing me the company which I have in opened in Tally. So it's showing me we need to link the company. There's an option pop up. Okay. So what does this mean? Which means that this application will help me out to connect my Tally to my Entera server so that I can transfer documents, I can transfer ledgers, I can transfer information between Tally and server so that we can work efficiently. Okay. So what I need to do, I need to click company. Okay. So it is asking for a integration ID. Now where we would get this ID. Simple. The folder we created, on the top of that folder, you can see there is an option called connect in green, right? Is everything visible, guys? You're getting me what I'm saying, like where I'm taking my cursor or what I'm showing to you? Great, great. Thank you so much. Great. So you need to click on connect. When you click on connect, it will pop up with three the softwares which these are the accounting softwares. Okay, so let's say we are working right now with Tally, so we need to click on Tally to connect. We'll click on connect on Tally, and boom, you will got the integration ID. So you need to just copy this integration ID and paste it over here. Done. Your connection is made. Now see, whatever kind of GST ledgers I have, it Entera application already picked up from the Tally, right? It picked up from the Tally and filled out all the information by itself. So I have ledgers on the separated by rate. Okay, so I have GST ledger on the rate wise, so it already filled. Might be possible you guys only have common ledgers like CGST, SGST, IGST, simple, done. You don't have separated by rate. Okay, so you can do it accordingly. So also you might be working with input or output separately. So I do not have input output different ledgers, separate ledgers, so I put it in input output option. In case you have input output different ledgers for GST, so you can need to enable this toggle and you will get this input and output option. So now you can fill out these GST ledgers so that it will be done only one time, so you don't have to every time put ledgers, GST ledgers, to work with Entera. Okay, so one time process. You don't have to do it every time. You have to just create a connection one time and done. You're good to go with any day to transfer document. Okay, so I do not have input output separate ledger, so I will put in single toggle. Okay, so that's how you can save it. So let's save it this. Now I have set TCS round of discount ledger. So in case you have round of ledger, it will automatically get picked up. In case you do not find it, if it didn't picked up, you can just simply go to the toggle button and you can just find out this ledger. You just type it and you will get it. So now I will put round of ledger, TDS, TCS if you have it. If you don't have it, just skip it. If you have discount ledger, put it. If you don't have it, skip it. I do not have discount ledger, I'm skipping it. Same. Done. You're done here. But there's one catch, that when you change any settings, any amendments you will be made in Tally or in Entera, so you need to sync company. Why sync company? Basically this connector will save your settings whatever has been changed. Let's say you have changed some data in Tally, you have deleted some document, you added some ledgers, you deleted some ledgers. So whatever the changes you have made in the Tally, it can also be saved for Entera server so that you can transfer document in a proper way. And then we are good to go to upload document and transfer it to Tally as well. So we'll get back to the folder. Yes, it's a connector. It's already been mentioned that it's Entera's connector, Tally connector. You can just whenever you install the application, you can see over here. Let's see, just like me, it has Entera Tally Connect. So which means that that application is a connector. Mohit, I guess your query is cleared. Yes, it is properly safe and secure. So as per the company details, we do not interfere in your private data. It's just to connect your data, whatever you syncing, so that you can properly transfer your document from here and there. That is why. Yes, it is purely, surely a secure system. It just read your ledger's name. That's all. That's let's say you have a customer name by any name like Mohit, right? Say, so it is in ledger setting. So it will just transfer your ledger setting so that it can find out details. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. Now we need to upload documents, right? We need to upload bank statement. So there is one way to upload it. So you can simply see there is a green big button of upload in the top right corner of your screen, like in the website. See, you need to click on upload and three option will pop up. So first option says documents. Document, this option is for upload invoices like purchase, sales. Okay. So today we are not covering that topic. We have already covered in a previous webinar. If you want, you can check out to our YouTube channel, Entera Global, and you have previous webinar as well, recording. So you can check these recordings. And right now we are going to demonstrate for bank statement. So for bank statement, we need to choose second option, bank statement. We'll click it. and we need to upload the document. Okay, we'll select the document from here. Okay, so let's upload this document, and I will send for recognize. See, when you upload document, it will go to loaded section, and when this is completed, it goes to completed section, and boom. See, have you noticed that how fast this document has been recognized from Entera when you upload bank statement actually? So bank statement recognition is very fast. You upload it and it will be done in a couple of seconds, and it will become to complete section, which means that document is completed and it's recognized. So when you upload it, it goes to the loaded section. What loaded section do? It's fetch all your data from the document and create it in certain way. Okay, so we are ready to upload document. Let's upload one more bank statement. I can show you one more time. I click on bank statement, upload, go to upload, and let's upload this document once again. You can upload document, right? But there's one more thing. We have a lot, we accept lot of bank statement. Okay, we accept in the format of PDF. You should upload your files in PDF, and PDF in sense like we have a formatting. So when you go to your net banking, when you downloaded the bank statement from your application, this kind of formatting will be accepted by Entera for data transfer. Okay, so we accept the formatting in PDF format, and should be clear. Let me show you. So these documents are already uploaded in Entera, as you can see, but let me take you to something else. So you can see on the top, beside the connect option, there is an option for help, right guys? So when you click on help, you will get two options. Either you have some queries, you have some issues, you need to have some information need to be taken, can request for a callback, return callback. Okay, or there is an option for knowledge base. When you click on knowledge base, this is the basically a KB where you can get all the articles about our Entera. What are the functionalities, what are the features we have launched, what are the features can help you out in certain way. We have these article. From there also you can learn all about Entera, all the features, how it works. We have provided in certain way that we have provided screenshots, and in the screenshot we have shown you that where to click, how to click, what it does mean. So it will be easy and clearly understandable for you. Okay, so right now I'm working with bank statement, right? So I need an article for bank statement because I don't know. Let's say you are a new user. As a new user, you don't know how a bank statement will work. For example, you're just logged in just for trial purpose and you're trying and you don't know. You can either contact our support team. Okay. So for support team, if you want to contact a support team, you can request a call back, or you can directly call or write us on WhatsApp as well. When you click on bank statement option on the left hand side, you can see the bank statement articles. These are the articles on the left hand side. You can see all the articles, all the features we have, you can see it from here. So bank statement article is here, right? But I'm talking previously I'm saying that if you want to talk to our support team, you want to contact through WhatsApp. So you need to go to end of this article, you will get the information. Oh, it doesn't have. Okay, let's open something else. Yeah, so see, we have article in the article end, we have the information about our email. You can write us on email, our contact number. You can write us on WhatsApp as well. We have WhatsApp support, so you can just have a query, just write on WhatsApp, and we will get back to you. If you want a call back, you can write us on WhatsApp. We can call you as well. So that's how it's very quick to access our support team. Okay, so let's get back to the bank statement article. Yes, we also can recognize scanned document. Yeah, because scanned document is already have a hard copy. We have a document. We can accept documents in multiple formats like PDF, JPG, and scanned documents. And even you can click a photo and you can upload. Okay, so we have great accuracy in a document as well. But today's webinar is all about bank statement. That is why I'm not going to talk about that invoice uh, feature, document feature. Okay, well, if you need a demonstration for that, we have that. You can write us on uh, WhatsApp, or you can request a call back, or you can write us on email. We will give you a demonstration for that as well. Our team will contact you. Okay. Okay, Prachi, I guess this is clear. Yeah. So what kind of banks we accept as of now? You have must be have a question. So these are the banks we accept as of now. Okay. If in case you don't see your bank, let's say you work with any bank, like some bank that we don't recognize, uh, so you can write us the feedback that this my bank is not recognized, or maybe it's not there in the list. You can just send your bank statement, and we will add we will raise a ticket to our technical department, and they will edit the bank your new bank statement, so that from now you will add this bank as well. Okay, so we are working with multiple banks, and slowly and steadily we are adding more and more banks. Okay, so as of now we have a list of banks which we accept as of now. Okay, and also we do not accept old monopose format for certain banks, and also we don't accept dotted form, like you have when you go to the bank and you ask for a statement, they provide you in just typewriting format, in dotted format. It would be in pages in black. We don't accept that. We need a proper document. Okay. Yes, UAE banks are not there. We will add that these two. You can write us on support team, and we will check, and we will add. Maybe later on we will add these banks as well. Right now we are working and we are adding multiple banks. As of now, we do not have UAE banks. Yes, we have Indian banks. You're looking for a UAE? Don't worry, we will certainly get into that part as well. So you can write us. We can send the PDF, or maybe I will raise a ticket to technical team, and they will check it. Maybe in future, near future, it will be edited soon. Understood, understood, Mohit. I can see that you're a UAE firm. No problem. We will surely help you out with this as well. But at least you can just take the demonstration, so that you can get to know that yes, it's very good for your doing. Okay, let's get back. So what kind of banks we accept? So you can see the format. It is the PDF, like we have give you the demonstration, that this is the kind of a bank statement we recognize. All the step by step thing has been provided. Okay, so you from here as well you can find out all the details. Let's get back to the demonstration. So also you cannot select. You can just need to upload the document via clicking on the selected document in the box tick button. You can click, and four option will be pop up. First is export to external system. This is the option to transfer your document to Tally. Second, maybe you mistakenly uploaded wrong document to different folder. You can transfer this document to different folder as well. There is the second option. Third, you can download this file once again, and you can delete it from here as well. But you can only export one bank statement at a time. Okay, you cannot export like 620 or two documents at a time, like for bank statement only, not for other document, just on for bank statement. So you need to select over here. You can see there is no pop-up. You can't export multiple bank statement at one time. That is the thing. So you can need to select one, deselect it. Let's export this document. Let's export this document. You need to click on export to external system, and you will be taken to the matching menu. See, you see, these document has already been recognized by me earlier, right? Let me deselect these dot details. Is it visible, guys? Okay. So when you go to the matching menu, on the left hand side you can see the data from the Entera has recognized from your bank statements. From your bank statement, here is the transaction details, date, deposit, withdrawal, or what is the amount. You can see in plus or minus, like it's withdrawal or deposit. You can see clearly. You know, you have seen in the right side, this is the ledger. You need to find out the ledger for it, right? I have done this demonstration pretty much with my other clients, right? So Entera knows that what kind of ledgers I'm going to select. It already pre-filled it. That's the beauty of Entera Global. The AI is basically integrated so much well that whatever, when you upload documents and when you start selecting the ledgers, correct ledgers for it, it will remember your it will remember your selection. Okay, so later on in that, say you upload this bank statement once again, or maybe this kind of transaction will become came once again, it will remember your selection and it will pre-filled it for you, so it will save your time eventually, right? So that's how Entera will work with you. So you don't have to select ledgers every time. It will remember your selection and it will keep upgrading their details, and it will be more accurate every each time, right? So it will already selected my all the information, but I don't need, let's check change it. Okay, so there is a few more features I can show you, that how you can customize, like you can use these banks. Yes, of course, Mohit. Ledger should already be there in Tele. If in case you there is a new account, you can put it into suspense as well. But yes, Ledger should be created. In case you want to, you have you're in the matching menu and you have created new Ledger, you have to click on Sync Company, and the new Ledger will pop up. As there is no restriction, but I prefer say that you can do it in like 3 months, 4 months as well, because if it's a huge bank statement, when you transfer it to Tele, it will take little time, of course, right? It's so many entries, like 1,000, 200,000 entries are not a small number. But yeah, there is, as such, there is no limit. See, so I need to change this ledger. Okay, there is, you can see in the top of the screen on the left hand side, there's an option for search. When you click on search, you can filter out any information from your bank statement. Let's say you want to find out this interest paid transaction. I copied this from here, I put it, and done. It will filter out all the ledgers. So instead of selecting ledgers one by one to every transaction like this, okay, it's INDPD, okay, let's select it. Okay, it's ICICI Bank, okay, I select ICICI Bank. So instead of doing selecting step all the ledgers one by one, you can copy and see that how many transactions we have by the name of this. So I have put INT dot PD. It's interest paid transaction. See, I have 4 transition about this, so I can go to the field. There is an option for field, you can see on the top left hand side. You need to tick box this or document, and all these document will be selected. I mean, this transaction will be selected. Okay, now when you select these transaction, on the sharp right side of your screen, you can see the bulk action option will appear. Okay, it will show you how many rows you have selected. You can change the transaction. It's a receipt, contra, payment, it's all up to you. And let's say it's not an interest paid. Let's say I don't know what this account, I don't know this transaction, I need to clarify with my client. I will put this in suspense, for example. Put this in suspense and apply. Done. So at one selection, it changed all 4 transaction name by suspense. That's how you can work easily with Entera. So you don't have to select every time all the ledgers selection. You can just type the name, all the transaction will be prepared, selected, and change the ledger by the name. Yes, great. So in case you want to find out if it's bank statement is very huge, for example, and you want to filter out the information by the date format, okay, no problem. You can go to the period option. There is a period option over here. You can click over here, go to the form. From, you can select the date. Let's say let me see, it's a 2022 and 3 information. Okay, I will go to 2023. You'll search March, and I need 31st March. Done. So from 31st March, whatever the documents of 31st March, it will be appear here, or from the list. You can do it easily. So in case you don't want to you want to check how many deposits has been made in this transaction, in this document, I mean bank statement, you can go to left side of the period. There's an option for debit and credit. Go select over here, go to deposit, it will show you all the deposit. Okay, if you go to withdrawal, it will show you only withdrawal list. Okay, I hope this much is clear to you so far. Is everything clearly or understandable for you guys? Please type Y. Is everything clear till now? Great. Okay. So let's say this is the contra RTGS. ICICI Bank is a contra payment. You can six like rupees. You can select this ledger and put it into contra, and it will be asking for the ledger. That's how you can see. You can see go and ask for. Or there's one more feature I need to show you. Let's say this is contra. Okay. Okay, now see, this is it's a short bank statement basically, but in case you have a long bank statement and you need to find out that you already filled some of the fields, like this ledgers says are already filled, but you need to select these ledgers as well. Now it's a bank statement. You need to scroll down and to check which ledger, which transitions are left, which transition are left to fill out the ledger. You can click on the above side. You can see only unprocessed. See, there's also tick box. You need to click over here. It will only pop up the transition which are not selected. Okay, so it will be easy for you, so you and for to understand that okay, these ledgers are left to select. Okay, I need to select these ledger also. If you unselect it, it will show you all the ledgers which are already selected. If you click on it, it will only show you the ledgers you need to select. There is no information as been filled out yet. So I will do it like this. I will put it. Okay, let's say I will put this in contra. Okay, this is for ICICI Bank. Apply. Done. I filled all the bank's details. Okay, so this is SMS charge. I can put into bank's charge. Bank charges. Done. Now everything is filled out. Now we need to transfer this document to Tally. Okay, so you can see when we filled out all the information, the green button will pop up on the right side of your screen, and it says create document. Okay, we need to click on create document. And this document will be sent it to your Tally, but it will not create ledgers as of now, not these transition, because we have a connector, the application, which is the connector which transfer your documents from Tally to Entera to Tally, right? So you can see here it's showing me pending as of now, which means it's still pending to yet come into my Tally. For that, I need to go back to my application and just need to click on this get docs option. You can see beside the sync company name there is an option, green button, get docs. You need to click over here, and the transition will start entering into Tally, and within couple of time it will be done. See, it is done. It says it created transition 13 transitions are there. It done. Let's now check it into Tally. That it says the documents has been exported successfully, right? So it's still in pending. You just need to refresh the page. Done. It's exported, which means that it has been into Tally. Open Tally now. Let's check the daybook. Here is all the information. See, I put these transition to suspense. Narration is in the all the transition details in the narration. You can see. I guys, I guess it's visible. My Tally is visible to you guys, right? Yes, great. So let's go back to Tally. Now you can see the transition is done. Let's say I have put it to contra ICC Bank, it's contra, and this is the narration. You can see these transactions. It's very easy. It will show you the voucher type, purchase, sales are the other documents. Now we have done the bank statement, so it's payment, receipt, contra, and everything is there. And there is suspense accounts, bank charges, everything is mentioned. I hope this is clear to you. And also for individual demonstration, if you want this demonstration to be done individually with personal meeting, we can show you with your documents as well how it works. If there is thing need to be added, we can show you. For that, you can my team has already pinned the comment, and from this link you can book your individual demonstration. Okay, just need to click on the link, fill out the form, and we will contact you soon. Okay, so now let's just a second, I cannot see the chat. Okay, I hope bank statement part is clear to you, everyone. Please type yes if it's clear to you. We can give you individual demonstration as well. If you need any help, you can write us on WhatsApp, email, call us. We will help you out. Okay. So that I can move to next part of Excel to enter a feature. Okay, great. Let's move on to the Mohit, I didn't get your question. Can you please clarify it? I have aging with us. Okay, let's move to the part. Okay, there's one more thing I need to show you guys. I'm sorry, I forgot to just show you. I just remember. I'm really sorry. Let's show you the document for this bank. Okay, let's export this bank statement feature. There is one more feature that you can delete the transactions and add the transaction in bank statement as well. See, this is the bank statement. This is the huge big bank statement. You can see, right? This is the ledgers. As of now, I have not selected yet. I need to fill it, right? It will auto filled by suspense account, which like Enter has already picked up from Tele, but you can need to select the ledgers. As of now, I need to delete. This is the August month, basically 2023 August month bank statement. I need to delete a 1 week transactions. Okay, let's move to from here. I will put 2023-08- from one, I guess, right? From one. Okay, let's choose this from here. August till 5th of August, for example. See, I want to delete these transactions. I don't want to transfer these transactions to my Tele. Maybe you already pre-filled it by some of your accountant, some of your person, or you filled it priorly. Just need to select this field, select this document, and at the end you can see the option in red, delete transaction from matching. So you can remove these transaction, and without these, you can remove them without these transaction. You can transfer the other documents, other transaction to Tele. You need to click on it. It will ask you confirm. You remove, and done. This information will be removed. See, I have already opened this period. There is no information, so I need to remove this information, and you can check it. That's how you can do it. We'll go to the end. Okay. Also, if you want to add some of the transaction, let's say you want to add some transaction, you can click on three dots beside the balance tab. There is a balance tab. You can click on three dots, and there is an option for add transaction. You can click on add transaction. At the end, this information will appear. This information, you can click it. At the right side, you can put whatever it is. Let's say it's a UPI payment, so UPI slash it's customer. I put it my name slash there's some kind of UPI number. Then type of transaction. Let's say it's a payment. Ledger would be suspense, for example. It could be anything, right? Date, you can put it from here in the tab. Let's say it's a 23 transaction, so 23 August. It's of 8th of August transaction. You can put it amount. It could be 5,000, or it could be minus 5,000. Doesn't matter. Like it's done. Done. This transaction is created. See, later on you can put receipt, contra, whatever it is. That's how it is also a great feature. You can do it, right? So let's move it to the Excel feature. No, I have just showed you, Bhaveji, that we can delete the transaction. Let's say you have a 3 month transaction, 3 month bank statement from January, Feb, and March. Okay, but by your colleagues, the Jan month transaction has been already entered in the enter. I mean your tally, right? Now you don't want to export this document because it will duplicate, right? So you can remove these Jan transaction from Entera, these transaction, and you can transfer March Feb file. Okay, let me show you the Excel file. So for Excel file, we can go to the same folder. We need to export the document. We can go to the Excel feature. Now we can go to the Excel tab, right? And I will show you what kind of format, what kind of document we accept. Okay, Enter accepts. So the format, you can see Excel as XLSV, CSV. We accept for format for Excel. Maximum 1,000 rows per file. Okay, one sheet file. It should be one sheet file. Okay, and let me show you the document. What kind of document we have? We have a example table. I mean Excel file. We need to click over here, and I can show you. See, this is the sample document. Is everything clear, guys? We are a little late for this webinar, I guess, because of bank statement and thing. So some of the clients send you the Excel file, right, where you have this kind of information with the customer details, date, amount, invoice number, and tax detail, right? Tax amount and total amount, everything is there. There should some catches like that. If in case client provide you some information in Excel format, these purchase or maybe sales invoices, so there should be no other information related to your purchase or sales, like this transaction. Let's say in the top of this table there's some kind of name or some kind of other things are written. You need to remove these information. You have to always keep the heading, the call rows in the top where you have document type, these kind of heading. Okay, this kind of column like supplier, customer, like, you need to be put it on top every time. At the end also there should be no other information, like, okay, you should remove the information in case they have provided some kind of totaling, some kind of everything is written over here. Should remove it. We need clean sheet where the only invoices are there. Okay, is it clear so far? No, I'm talking about Excel file for invoices like purchase and sales. As of now, we do not have feature for bank statement Excel feature like for bank. Okay, but soon we will add this feature as well. That if in case you got the bank statement in Excel format, you can export it as well. But as of now, I'm showing it for purchase and sales. Okay, so you can see this is the property. Typical like format you got from your client, right? These kind of invoices you receive, right? But you must be wondering one thing. If you see this Excel file at the very top, right left hand side, there is 111 22333 formatting, numbering has been providing and sequencing is providing, right? You must be wondering why they have provided this 111 222 333 sequencing. This is why, because in case let's say this is a single invoice but have multiple items. Okay, it's a single one, so one invoice but have multiple items. So how Entera will get to know that this is this is not an individual document? It's an item, multiple item, but this considered to be a one single invoice. So we have given the formatting of 111 You can put in the heading at hash, and this you can put 111. This will Entera will recognize, yes, okay, this 111 means this is a single invoice, first invoice, but have multiple items. Okay, this, so that this should go into one invoice. Okay, so this is a second invoice, it should be into, this is the third invoice, we have multiple items, so it's considered to be as a single invoice but have multiple items. I guess this much is clear to you. If it's not, I can revise it, sorry, I can repeat it. Guys, please type yes or no why, so that I can understand that you're getting it, please. We can provide you individual demonstration as well, but for this I can understand that you're getting my details or not. Okay. Okay, so these are the formats we accept. Or you have your own file as well. You can upload your own file. Just don't need to just remember it that there is no should be no prior any information written like in the top and the bottom of your file. Okay, it should be like in this format. Or you can copy paste your data in this format as well. You can get this format from your from the article from the knowledge base, or you can paste the data and you can export it as well. It's very quick. Okay, let's upload the document into Entera. You need to click on upload once again, but this time we are uploading document for Excel. We need to upload it. Click on Excel, and we need to upload the Excel file. So okay, I have this Excel file. Let's open it, and it says match column. So I need to match my columns accordingly. What kind of information I need from the document from the Excel file? I will go from here. See, I will cross these file for you just for demonstration, because it's Enter already pre-filled this information for me. Okay, let's do it. So from left hand side, Excel column name. So these are the information which has been taken from your Excel file. You can see your column headings, right? See, this has been taken from the same. Okay, from here you can see the name, and the left hand side in this page you can see the examples, so that you can get to know the what are the examples of this field. Okay, so here you need to select the column from which column you need the data. Okay, and you need to donate these headings into the details, right? What Entera can recognize it as this column as. Okay, so this is a document type. So what is document type? Same invoice type or document type? Simple. Document number, we should go with document number because it's an invoice number. It should be invoice number from your column. Maybe it's a bill number, it's something like that, it would be written, so you can choose it as document number because it's a document number. Document date, simple. Customer name, so it could be customer name. Example is already given, so you can put customer name. Supplier name, you can put it supplier name. So it's a GST IDs, customer tax ID or supplier tax ID is GST ID of customer. Customer ID, supplier ID. Document total amount, so we should need document total amount as a total amount of that particular document. So you can put select the document amount, total document. You can scroll and find out that ledger, that matching. Document total amount. Product service code is just a HSN code or something like that, is already given example. So we need to find out HSN. Item and HSN code, item code. Okay. For product service name is a item name or product name or a product description, for example. So we can use as a item name. Item name. It's a unit. So what kind of unit is written? You need to select the ledger for it. So we need to click on item unit. Where is item unit? Item unit. Just checking guys, everything is okay. Okay. Item unit. And for quantity, you need to select simple item quantity. it will be saved automatically by Entera. First time you, as a new user, you have to select these ledgers. Product service, click on product service. Oh, sorry, price, item price, item price. Product and service price is item price. Item amount X tax before tax. It's item amount without tax. This is the column. Tax rate. So these are the CGST and SGST details. Okay. So it's asking for tax rate and tax rate too. You can see in this two column. So product service tax rate, product service tax rate too. So CGST, SGST number. So we need to select the ledger for CGST, SGST rate. So this is asking for item IGS, CGST, SGST rate. We need to click over here. Same selection for the here as well. Now we have also provided this CGST, SGST rate wise amount as well. So we need to click on amount, IGS, CGST amount item, and same here for second SGST amount. So it is total amount for product. So we need to click on item total. Item amount. Okay, just we have open. To find out the okay, item amount is here and it's not matching somewhere else. Let's check it. Item amount. Okay, done. We do not have column for comments, so we are not doing it. Create document. We need to click on create document. We have select the ledgers. So documents are here now. You can see. Okay, you can click on the document and you can open the information that has been taken correctly or not. See, there is the information has been taken. All the information is there. Tax amount, everything is picked up correctly. 2.5, 2.5, 6%, 2.5, everything. Total amount and everything is there. It's very easy. Whatever the details in the Excel, it's already been here. Now we need to simply export this document into Tally, right? What we will do, we will select this document. We can select all or deselect these two because we are not exporting bank statement. We're exporting documents. We need to select three documents here and simply need to click on external system. Same, we will go to the matching menu where we need to fill out the information. See, I have done this document before. Maybe I have done this maybe prior with some client maybe. So Enter already picked up these information. You can see, right? Is everything clear to you guys? Please write me. Guys, please type Y at something like that so that. Okay, great. See, so these are the ledgers you need to select it for these documents. So JK Cement. So what I'll do is I need to change these documents into ones. I know these are all the categories for me, purchase in category or sales category, whatever it is. You can do one thing. You can change the document. Just need to click on field, select document, go to all document. So all these documents will be selected, right? So same that the left hand side bulk action will be there. Now you can select the transaction type. What is the transaction type for this document? It's a say purchase, sales, whatever it is. So for me it's a purchase. Okay, so I will put purchase category. For me it's a category. So category would be anything like what kind of categories you have. As I do not have much categories, so I will put it into purchase account, right? Suppliers are different for that, so I don't need to select supplier because suppliers are different in this documents. If it's could be one, so I can choose one. So I need to select a tax registration for this company. It's Delhi for me. Apply. Done. It will be changed to every document. You can see, right? How fast it is for categories. And we need to click on create document. Now we can export this document to Tally. Done. So see, again, it's showing in pending, pending. It's, you need to get back to the application once again. Need to click on get docs so that it will be exported to Tally now. You need to click on get docs. Done. So it says two documents are has been successfully exported. One document is left. Okay. So we'll check this. It says purchase failed. This is error. We'll find out what's the error in it. Let's check this document into Tally. We will refresh this page. If in case some of the items already exist in your Tally, it won't get exported. For document, that is the great feature. As you can see that maybe if this document already exists in your Tally, then if you're trying to export it from Entera, it won't go to your Tally because otherwise it will be duplicate all your information. So which will create chaos to your information, and it will, you have to select search out what information is duplicated and you need to delete it. Okay, it won't send it to your Tally. So two documents is exported, one is an error, and it will show you the error as well. Okay, so let's check this in Tally. Again, get back to daybook. So we can find out this in Sri Mobile Automobiles, best automobile making. Here is the document. And click and check in. And you can see purchase account, CGST, SGST, 141499. So there multiple taxation is there. It is already taken. Everything is there. You can see the narration that it is from Entera, document export from Entera, so that you can check the document from Entera that yes, as everything is correct. Okay. Is everything clear till now? Yeah, duplicate is not there. So we can click on this document and check what's the error. So that information is not there. Let's check the tally. Second document, which is the about second document. You can see second document doesn't have anything. Bag and everything. Okay, the details are missing over here in the Excel file. That is why it's not there taking everything. There is an error because there is no details. Even there should be zero at least. Right? There should be zeros. Maybe because this is the same example I've uploaded. So there should be zero over here. What if there is two invoice with same invoice number? Yeah, that is what I've explained. See, Anirudh, see, when you go to the Excel file, here you can see these document numbers are same. You can see document numbers are same, right? So what if, so you can change the invoice number later on as well. But from here, if there's the document numbers are same, you can put in one, so it will be selected as a one invoice, but have multiple items. That's how I've explained you. Will it not update in the stock register as well in Tally? I didn't get it. Stock register in Tally. Do you mean I need to check it in stock register? These information. Okay, let's check it. But it will be registered. Check in stock register. Okay. Stock register. From where? Like I need to go to. I'm not sure about stock register. Like yeah, it will go, but actually I'm not an accountant. Stock summary. Summary. Okay. So I need to go to stock summary. Okay. Yeah. So where I need to check it? Okay. So as far guys, demonstration is done from my end, like the webinar is done, but we need to resolve some of your questions. So please, you can ask questions. The item you have purchased. Okay, where I can go it. This is what you're saying, guys. Should be in stock summary. Mohit, I'm not sure. Might be I'm not getting the information like stock summary about what, because seriously, as you guys have knowledge about accountings, about proper information detailing the kind of reports you created, maybe I'm not aware of these reports, so might be I'm missing some point. But this works well. Yeah, we have like invert like input and output GSTs as well. But for me, for my tally, I do not have it, so that's why I put it in the common ledgers, common IGST, SEGST. But in case you have input, invert, and output GSTs, so you can select later on. I've showed you that there is an option that input output GSTs need to be filtered separately, so that if in case it will be auto recognized by Entera that it's a output GST or input GST. Okay, guys, is right. So is there anything else I can help you out, guys? Any question, any queries, guys? So so far, did you like bank statement Excel feature? How you think that can boost up your working like from data automation? Because as I mentioned, that Entera has AI technology which can pre-save your selections. So later on, after using 2, 3, 5 documents, that we will get to see that Entera is auto-filling your information. Right, you just need to cross check it by your eyes, just check it, yeah, it's everything correct, then just transfer the document. So it will be very easy. You don't need to sit on your PC for 2, 3 hours and typing on and updating the details in tally. You just need to upload it, select the ledgers, and done. You're good to go with other work. You can now save your time, and you can use this time for some other projects on, right? So for that, you can contact us. We will get back to you with the individual demonstration, and we will show you. And we have the pricing also in our website. uh, for that, you can just need to click on the link, book a slot for with us, and we will show you once again all the information like bank statement, Excel. Even the demonstration will be there in the individual would be like for like say you have a picture of your hard copy of your purchase or sales document. You can take a picture from the phone and you can also upload it. We can demonstrate for that as well. If in case you have a scanned document, we can demonstrate for that. If you have PDF, what kind of information for documents like for sales and purchase, we can help you out with this demonstration as well. So yeah. So because this today's webinar is purely for bank statement and Excel feature, that is why I haven't much talk about these purchase and sales documents. But yes, if you want to check out previous webinars, you can just need to go to our YouTube channel by the name of Entera Global, and you can check all these previous webinar. Yes, you can also upload bulk document like TDS and TCS statement, not statements basically, but in case if in documents you want to add TCS or TDS, you can edit from Entera as well. Or might be possible that you some of the questions you have arising, it could be better if you go with right to a support channel, so that we can answer you properly, because according to this webinar I'm just giving you the answers what I'm having right now. Like I have for banks statement and Excel. Please, the our team is put the information like our contact details, write us on WhatsApp, email, so that we can have a call with you. So maybe you can ask your question on call, so that at least I can give you much information about it. Okay, so guys, I guess we should need to end this webinar. We are already going above 7 minutes above the timing. Anyway, so thank you so much, guys. I hope you like this webinar. You got lot of information. In case you have lot of queries, please do write us and click on the link and book the demonstration. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.